Welcome!
How to lock your laptop. First thing, click Search, then type Control Panel. After that, you can open it. Choose User Account, click Change Account Type. Next to Administrator. Then click Change the password. You can setting it, add your password and done. You can check it all on your laptop. Finally, your laptop has been locked now.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, guys.